Hi, my name's Ben Wright, Head of Growth here at Sendspark, and today I'm here to teach you about why you should be including video as part of your outbound agency. And so today we're going to cover a couple of things, such as why video is essential, why video has been tough for agencies in the past, how you can use video in your outbound strategy today and how much easier it's become. And then finally, covering off some best practices for creating compelling videos to include as part of your outbound campaigns. So, with that, let's dive in. So, in this next video, we're going to talk through why you should use video as part of your outbound offerings for your agency. And so, I think just getting very kind of empirical with why you should do it, personalized video has been shown to significantly increase both engagement and response rates when sent out as part of outbound campaigns. And I think if you think about it, video is more personal and more engaging than text or static images. It really lets you kind of show your personality or show your clients' personalities, and helps you build, stronger connection with both clients and prospects. And a couple of studies that both Forrester and ourselves have put out show that video messages can boost email open rates by up to 19% and click through rates by up to 65%. Um, and I think it makes sense in the modern day where a lot of people are saturated with purely cold emails. Video does give you that additional kind of boost. So people that receive videos think, wow, this person's taken a lot of time and effort in creating this video for me. And so that's why it does improve that click through rate and that reply rate. So again, if you're looking to kind of stand out in a crowded market and you're looking to land more business for your clients, video can be a really good way, a really good kind of method or communication method to incorporate as part of your outbound campaigns. So let's move on to why video hasn't traditionally been incorporated by a lot of outbound agencies. Let's be honest, I think historically incorporating video hasn't been easy. So traditionally, and using kind of legacy platforms or solutions, creating personalized videos required a lot of manual effort, right? You had to do a script, you had to film, maybe edit, and then send each video individually. And so, really time consuming process, not scalable, and made it very difficult for agencies like yours to leverage video effectively. And so I think if we talk about why traditionally agencies have not been kind of open or super excited about including video as part of their offerings, it's primarily due just to how much time it took and how they weren't able to operationalize it for a large list of clients. Now, that has changed. And in the next section of this video, we'll explain how now that is a reality and how you as an agency can start to incorporate video easily as part of your offerings. Now, let's talk about how you can use video in your outbound strategy. So, really, thanks to advancements in technology with new platforms like Sendspark, you can create AI personalized videos at scale. And so, what Sendspark allows you to do is easily integrate dynamic personalization, such as the recipient's first name, company details, and even LinkedIn profile information directly into your videos. So, this not only saves time, but also ensures that each video feels really unique and personal. And as an addition, platforms like Sendspark, especially Sendspark, integrates with all the tools you already use. So, like your CRM systems, your email marketing platforms, making the whole process streamlined and efficient. And so, stick around in the next video. We'll walk you through the Sendspark platform and how easy it is for you as an agency to start using it for your clients and prospects. So, finally, let's cover some just general best practices for creating videos that deliver results. So, hopefully, at this point, you've now understood why you should incorporate video as part of your outreach motions. Secondarily, why it's become a lot easier with the advancements in technology and using platforms like Sendspark. You can really start to operationalize video as part of your outbound agency. And so I just wanted to offer, 4 best tips, practices for you as you do start to create your first video campaigns. And so the first would be compelling script, right? Start with a strong hook to grab attention, followed by a very clear and concise message. So, one of the things that I would say people get wrong with video is not planning what they're about to say. So, it can come out very jumbled and not very well ordered. And so, definitely sit down, create scripts for your clients to record, because those are going to be really key in getting a clear message across. The second would be personalization. So, again, use the recipient's name, have that scrolling background, make it feel like you've really made the video for them. The third would be just background and visuals. So, really like video recording 101. So, even though we're using AI, or we should be using AI to create video, you still need to record a video, right? So make sure that you have got good lighting, make sure the audio is clear. And then fourth, include like a call to action. So again, as part of Sendspark, we give you the ability to create these customized landing pages for your prospects. And as part of that, you can include a booking link or a CTA. And again, like fundamentally, what we want people to do is listen to the message, obviously, that you're sending over as part of the video, but fundamentally book a meeting or take an action. So be sure to include those kind of CTAs as part of that video prospecting kind of motion. And the fifth would be just integrate, right? So fundamentally, you can create all the videos you want, but as an outbound agency, you want to make sure you integrate it into the tools that you use day in, day out. And so with Sendspark, we offer, 100 integrations. And so make sure that you really operationalize video as you go, just to make it seamless and allow you to package it as part of every agency offering. So those are just a few tips for you on how to record a video. And as I mentioned, I think fundamentally throughout this video, now you should understand why Outbound works. And like I said, if you want to try out Sendspark, we now have AI personalization at scale. Feel free to sign up at the bottom of this video, and we look forward to working with you soon. Okay, so what I'm going to walk you through today is basically how you could use Sendspark as part of your outbound campaigns. And so I'll first walk you through how you create an AI personalized campaign inside of Sendspark, walk you through the kind of integration components, which enables you to send out through tools that you know and love. And then finally show you a little bit about both the analytics and the end user side, right? So when you send these videos out, what do they look like conceptually? So what you're seeing in front of you is our dynamic video campaign. The first step of a dynamic video campaign is to record a video. Now, as an outbound agency, we also have a feature that allows you to request videos from your clients. And so you could manage this whole experience without your client having to do anything. So firstly, record a video, turn on our AI voice cloning. What that's going to do is basically listen to the video that you've uploaded, listen to the voice, the tone, the accent, etc. So when we add in these AI components further down the line, it's going to sound and look exactly like you. The second component, and another great point for outbound agencies, is we also give you the ability to create these customized landing pages. And so fundamentally, these can also be personalized. It would have your client's logo, your color scheme, all that type of stuff. But you can also do cool things like add a CTA, maybe you want to kick them to a client's website, and also embed a calendar link so people can book meetings directly from the videos that you are sending out. Now, when you've just set up those fundamental components, the next step is super easy. You simply upload a CSV of contacts into the Sendspark platform. Once that's been done, these are the videos that are generated for you, and I'll play a couple so you get an understanding of what the end result is. Hey, Ben. This is Ben here from Sendspark, and the video you just watched was fully automated using our dynamic video feature. And I'll just play one for Brad so you get the full approach. Hey, Brad. This is Ben here from Sendspark, and the video you just watched was fully automated using. So fundamentally, every video that's generated will have a personalized introduction. It will have the scrolling screen or the dynamic background behind you. And again, imagine you've added 1,000 prospects. Each one of those would have a fully personalized video generated for them. Now, once those videos are generated, you're able to integrate into every major sales engagement platform. So whether you're an agency that's a HubSpot agency or Apollo, wherever that might be, you're able to integrate directly and then push these videos out through your sales engagement platform of choice. So really easy to integrate into your processes. Now, what does the end user receive, right? So let's say I've sent out or created a bunch of these campaigns. what is the end user going to see inside of their inbox? Now, this is my Gmail here. I've just copied a movable GIF from that campaign. This is fundamentally what it's going to look like in the inbox of your prospects. It's going to be a movable GIF, which is still, dynamic and compelling, and so again increases the likelihood of somebody replying or responding to that video. Now, if they click into the video, this is kind of where we add in that additional layer of kind of personalization to the campaign that we've created. So it will kick them into this personalized landing page, right? And it will have like the calendar link, their personalized video, the logo, all that type of stuff. You can add in some messaging down here and a CTA. And so fundamentally, from a full campaign perspective, really great, compelling content to include as part of your outbound processes. And what that will do is really drive a lot of value inside of the platform and increase both reply rates and response rates. So that's a whistle stop tour of how the Sendspark platform works for outbound agencies. So, to recap this video as to why you should use video as part of your outbound motion, firstly, just why video in general. So, fundamentally, it increases engagement and response rates, as well as building stronger client connections. The second is why, the past challenges of video and why that's changed. So, before, lots of manual effort and lack of scalability made video very difficult for agencies. But now you can leverage Sendspark for AI personalized video at scale, integrating with your existing tools and making the operationalization of video far easier. And then finally, in terms of best practices when kicking off video for your clients, make sure you have a strong script, make sure you include personalization, professional visuals, and a clear call to action to get the most out of your video prospecting campaigns. As always, we'd love for you to try out Sendspark. Feel free to book a demo and see how you can change your whole outbound approach using video prospecting.